What if you had access to any part or any piece you want to make any Star Wars figure you wanted? Today we're gonna find out what my wife chose. So my wife asked me what I wanted for my birthday. And I said, oh, why don't you make me a figure since we have all these parts, then we don't have to buy anything. And this is what she came up with. Here we go.
So here I'm picking out a bunch of shoes, legs, something or other, torso, butt, chest. I think these are hands, guns. Something that looks like a ring, armband, and shoulder, the head. Yeah, here's a smushed trooper. Honey, can you stand for me, please?
And so after hours of sanding and prep, the magical birthday rolled around, and nothing. And just as soon as it had ended, it started up again. So here we are after day 1 of painting. It looks like we're getting a cow figure. And none of the cows could stop her, as the next day she continued on her journey.
I guess I was going for some kind of blue camo based off of Tokidoki, one of my favorite brands. Those little happy faces are actually a Grim Reaper. His name is Adios. It's not really a happy face, he just has a nose. We got it done, hooray! Hubby, it's time to clear coat it.